Our beliefs shape our actions and as a result are directly related to the life we create for ourselves. When you're spring cleaning your schedule, I invite you to take into account your energy levels and be honest with yourself about what you can accomplish in a day, a week, and a month. Hello, and welcome to the Connect podcast. This show is all about helping you connect to your soul's calling so you can take action on it. Because the sweetest success is a blend of discovering your purpose with the inner drive to bring it to life. I'm Sheila, health coach, lifestyle entrepreneur, and mom of two, best known for my online wellness programs, mentoring, and self-love passion. Listen in for inspiring interviews, solo chats, and Q&A sessions that will move you past overwhelm towards what lights you up. Stop accepting good enough and go for your version of great in your health, business, and relationships. Let's get started. Hey, welcome to the podcast. I've been doing some spring cleaning in my daily structure. By that, I mean that I've shaken up my week to see where some of my daily rituals and priorities would better suit my energy. This includes everything from my workout to connection calls and meetings, to writing, to when I read and listen to podcasts. I like to plan around my energy as much as I can, so I best use my time for particular tasks, and it allows for some tasks to happen more easily. I'm always fine-tuning to find my best balance. I've found that when my energy is lower, I don't believe I'm able to make the progress I want. Everything feels heavy. Even the simplest of tasks is faced with massive resistance. And in contrast, when my energy is building or higher, I feel like I can do all the things in one day, no less. It's so funny to me because that's when I tend to overschedule myself. And while my day starts with amazing energy, I can end the day feeling like I didn't accomplish as much as I wanted to because I had far too many things on the list. I recently shared this quote. It said, "Our beliefs shape our actions and as a result are directly related to the life we create for ourselves." When you're spring cleaning your schedule, I invite you to take into account your energy levels and be honest with yourself about what you can accomplish in a day, a week, and a month. Give yourself enough space so you can have grace on yourself for those lackluster energy days, and also for those days where you finish everything early with gleaming results. That way, you can use the open time to celebrate your accomplishments and direct your leftover energy to doing something you love. Go for a run, make an early dinner, surprise your love with a date night, take the kids on an unexpected excursion. Enjoy the moments of your life as much as you can. This year has taught me a lot about what I value most, what I could do with less of, and what I'm capable of. How about you? I find myself even more aware of how my beliefs have shaped my past habits and actions. Nurturing these things can truly bring lasting transformation. If you're just getting to know me, I'll always invite you to take a look within yourself. My whole soul-driven wellness method is built upon you knowing yourself best. Too often, from the time we were little, we were taught and modeled by society to look outside of ourselves for the answers on how to live by so-called experts. It's time to reframe that and start trusting yourself first. Run your daily and weekly schedule through your very own soul filter. Some call it their gut instinct, inner wisdom, or source guidance. Now, your life has its own rhythm. You may have a set work schedule that's mostly determined for you, but even so, you can apply this to how you go about your day, and especially to when you're on your own time. Whatever it is for you, take it all in, look at your priorities, match them with your life goals, sit with them a moment, choose how you want your schedule to look, and how you want to feel while you're living it out. No judgment, no pressure, no overwhelm. When you put intention into your days, you'll move closer to the kind of life you want to be living. So much positive change can happen when you do this. Doesn't that sound freeing? I'd love to hear how this resonated for you. What's the biggest lesson you're processing from the past year? Please tag me at Sheila on Instagram and let me know. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Big blessings. Thank you so much for being here with me on the Connect podcast. If you like this episode, please share it with someone you think would enjoy it. Also, if you head over to iTunes to leave a review, I'd be so grateful. Let us know what your favorite parts were and what you'd like to hear more of. It will help us have a greater impact, elevating many more people to grow and succeed together. See you next time.